Assalamualaikum guys, I am back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a blind person stick using an Arduino male to female jumper wires and light bulbs, buzzers, battery and battery connectors and an ultrasonic distance sensor and nylon cable ties. So basically it is a stick which blind people use for help when they can't see what is going to be in front of them, so they can dodge or turn from where they are going. And by the way, the code is in the description which I used for this project. So let's begin. So the circuit is completed. Our blind stick is completed. Now let's test it.